Welcome to the Intellifi mobile app, where you can set up your home internet, run speed tests, connect devices, set up parental controls, and much more. Before you set up your system for the first time, make sure you've completed a few preliminary steps. Connect the internet modem or ONT to the controller and power on your controller. To set up the system for the first time, check that the controller is pulsing blue-green. Click the Get Started button and follow the steps to add the controller. Next, the app will prompt you to set up a satellite. If you do not have a satellite, you can skip this step. Find a power outlet near the Intellifi controller and plug in your satellite. When the light on your satellite starts to pulse blue-green, you're ready to continue. During this process, you may choose to rename your satellites. Simply follow the on-screen prompt or skip it to keep the default name. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for the LED to turn solid white. Once you've added your Intellifi controller and satellite, you're ready to check speeds, view connected devices, add devices, and view top users all from the home screen. To check your internet speed, go to your home page and tap Speed. There you can run an internet speed test and check latency to ensure lag-free gaming. To add devices to your Wi-Fi network, click on the Share button on the home page. You can add a device to your network by scanning the QR code and connecting automatically, or you can reveal the hidden password and type it directly into your device.